right, and we've been talking about the Super Bowl all day as the Chiefs and 49ers will go head-to-head this Sunday. Kickoff is set for 5:30. You can watch it right here on News 9. A lot of people are going to be tuning in for that.
A lot of people are going to be tuning in, and a lot of people probably looking at the TV and then looking outside and seeing some white stuff falling from the sky. And
I don't think they're going to be on their patios watching the game.
No one's going to be on a patio. And if you were thinking about it, don't
make new plans.
make new plans. It's just not going to be a comfortable enough day for it. Not only is there at least going to be rain eventually transitioning to snow, it's also going to be windy tomorrow. So even if it was dry, wouldn't be the best outdoor viewing conditions. There's the jet stream. It's taking its big dip down. We are getting that storm system already brewing. Front Range of Colorado, New Mexico. It is going to move east. It is going to impact Oklahoma here over the next 24 hours. That's why we've got the winter storm warning, far southwestern Oklahoma. Just the orange travel advisory from southwestern into northeastern Oklahoma. You notice that I-44 corridor, that'll be kind of the focus for tomorrow. I-40 in western Oklahoma, I-44, then riding up I-44. Would not be surprised if at some point tomorrow conditions get right where we see these enhanced into in addition to the winter storm warning, but time will tell on that. Model data trend, and they sure have been trending here over the last 48 hours and really over the last 9 days since we started looking at this storm. Most likely snowfall totals here across the metro, mainly in that 1 to 3 inch range. Some of the models still kind of trying to squeeze a little bit of a drier condition for the metro, but they're trending more to that 1 to 3, and then there are some that are really going hammer time with this snow and what we can expect here across Oklahoma tomorrow. So could not rule out some 6+ inch snowfall totals in parts of the metro tomorrow. But heavy snow from southwestern Oklahoma toward central Oklahoma. You saw that orientation of that travel advisory across the state. That's where that heaviest band of snow ought to be setting up. Again, we start off as rain. It's cold up there in the clouds. It's snow, it melts, it's rain. We need it to get cold farther through that column of air, especially here at the surface, and that's going to be the biggest question as we go through the next 24 hours and what we can expect. Tomorrow morning, it's all rain here across the metro to start things out, but you'll notice the blue start to cut into Canadian County, areas in the West Metro by late tomorrow morning and lunchtime. I would expect by lunchtime, Canadian County is experiencing that changeover to wintry mix and snow. And then here across Oklahoma County, Cleveland County, parts of the East Metro included, as we head into the early and mid-evening hours. So by the time the game will be underway, we'll get that full transition over to snow. And some of this snow at times could be a little heavy. Wherever that heaviest band sets up, that's where we're going to see the highest totals, and the back edge of it by early Monday morning will come into view of the metro zoom there. But here's the statewide view. Again, rain, central, southern Oklahoma, some heavy rain possible early tomorrow morning. Snow out in far western, southwestern Oklahoma. That's where it gets cold enough earliest. By lunchtime, again, that encroaches into Canadian County and then starts to really fill in along I-44 and into the rest of the metro as we head later in the afternoon and the evening hours. Heading overnight, temperatures dropping. Could see that snow mix line extend all the way into northeastern Oklahoma, with the heaviest by this point midnight tomorrow night off to the east, but still the chance for a steady snow in central Oklahoma. There's that back edge, though. That enters the metro by around 4 a.m. on Monday morning, and then eventually we'll dry things out. So between midnight tonight, 6 a.m. tomorrow, far northwestern, southwestern Oklahoma, and far western Oklahoma, that's our initial snow time of arrival. When we first see that transition, it's going to go west to east by around 6 a.m. to noon. It'll clip through Clinton, head its way toward El Reno and Canadian County, Kingfisher County, possibly as far east as Kingfisher County, and then it's 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. that I include more of the metro. Down southwest along I-44 and up toward Tulsa, we'll start to see those temperatures drop enough that should help snow to form and replace the rain. Very quiet view on our O-Trip cam. We had some clouds a little while ago and we still had enough sunlight. We don't anymore, but if we did, you would see them on our Lucky Star Sky Cam network. It's 48 degrees right now in Oklahoma City, 43 El Reno. You're going to notice, you'll see numbers in the West Metro. They're going to be colder here over the next couple of days than we are here in Oklahoma City. That's going to help them get that snow transition first. Far northwestern Oklahoma, upper 30s, a northeast breeze, 15 to 20 miles per hour right now. Overnight tonight, a cold rain starts to set up in far southern southwestern Oklahoma, and then it's far western in southwestern Oklahoma that gets that transition first, as temperatures will be lower there earlier in the morning. We're still in the upper 30s here in Oklahoma City, even some 40s in parts of the East Metro early tomorrow morning. As temperatures continue to fall out west, that mixed line heads its way farther to the east and starts to encroach into the West Metro Canadian County by late tomorrow morning. Temperatures dropping low 30s out in western Oklahoma and southwestern Oklahoma, briefly touching 40 here in Oklahoma City. But look at the West Metro tomorrow afternoon, already in the lower 30s. So that snow mix line is going to hit them first and then eventually into Oklahoma City tomorrow late afternoon and evening, and then moving up off to the northeast. That will exit by the time we get to the middle of the day. Snow winners, looks like southwestern Oklahoma. Numbers are going to change here a little bit over the next 24 hours. We'll get more model data coming in through the rest of the evening and tomorrow morning to fine-tune that forecast for you. But we've got some 60s to enjoy by Valentine's Day. That's all I got for now. News 9's going to be back right after this.